Hello everyone, I'm Mark Boyer, Boyer Financial Services, and welcome to the Boyer Brief. Hey Jason, Jacoby, pretty exciting time, April, spring has sprung.
It has. April showers bring May flowers, as they say, right?
That's what they say, yeah. Although we never get any rain.
I know it's California,
Yeah,
no rain
yeah.
in our forecast. But hey, we have an update on the market forecast. Dow Jones leading the pack now, 10% returns approximately at the time of the recording. Big move from its previous year-to-date returns, obviously a month ago, so we have a little bit more of a sample size these days. Followed up by the S&P at around 9%, and then the lagging of the three, which was actually the leader last month when we talked. The NASDAQ, again, 8%. So
yeah, it's good to see the Dow pick up in multinational companies, 30 companies in the Dow Industrials, and so showing you that they're having that rotation that we talked about was expected to have. Growth was on a tear this last year. Still like the growth stocks. But we were expecting sort of a rotation, so we've been positioned for that. So
great.
Excited about that. I feel like that can continue, but we'll continue kind of that value growth area. Both look pretty attractive still, as far as that goes. So
awesome. Speaking of revised GDP numbers, so what are we looking at now?
Well, I mean, we were in the mid fives prior to, but now I feel like, again, with stimulus and coming out of COVID, looks to be 6.25 to 6 3/4 on GDP, which is a marked difference and improvement. But man, I feel like we could hit those numbers, so that'll be really interesting. On the other side of that, though, it brings is interest rates.
Yeah.
We've had them capped out. We hit 1 3/4, kind of pulled back down. Feel like even the rest of this year could get to 2, so that'll be interesting on the 10-year to see if we get to 2%. So haven't been there in a while, but we'll see how it goes.
And then inflation, right? Inflation follows expanding economy. So we see an uptick in inflation. What are we thinking? 2.4, 2.6, maybe, depending on
low twos. Yeah, I don't feel like that's going to get out of control. I think there's a lot of talk in regards to runaway inflation, but don't feel like they're maybe down the road, but not yet. Feel like that's going to be under wraps a little bit and controlled. So probably just above 2% on inflation longer term here.
Great. Well, good to know. We actually have a longer version of this where we go into more detail, about a 15-minute video. Feel free to visit our YouTube page. Look for the April Boyer Brief extended version. Again, it's about 15 minutes, so if you want more in-depth analysis on what's going on, we talk all things market, a little bit of sports, we have some fun, that's for sure. So feel free to give us a call, shoot us a text, or email us with any questions. But for Mark Boyer and Jason Jacoby, thanks so much for listening to this month's Boyer Brief. We'll see you next time.